What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, bringing you today's cryptocurrency video on Polygon Matic. We've always made you guys aware of two things. First, as long as we're above the golden pocket, we're in a target to the 1618 here at $3.30. But I've always said, once we fell back into this, and even before we broke out here, I think we were down here when I spoke about this rising wedge. I said over here, if we lose support, we're coming to this minimal. Your technical target is down here at 68 cents. Now, it doesn't have to be met because from each of these supports, each of these lows, each of these higher lows, these are your targets basically. So this target 1, target 2, and target 3. Now, any of them can be met. Third target can be met. But as long as yeah, you're holding support, get back above this, then you invalidate further downside. Like you could come to here, get back above the pink line, you would invalidate further downside to here, technically speaking. So all of these levels must hold. For me, the most important key level for Matic to hold is $1.55 because this is your 0618. Actually, it's this whole golden pocket over here, but we've just drawn it as a small box. So it could technically go down to $1.30, but it must get back above $1.55 after getting down there. So that's why I'm just keeping it like this at the moment. As long as above the 0618 at 155, we will be coming to the 1618 at $6.73. This is why I have a target of $6.50 to $7 for Matic for this bull run. Now, as long as we're above $1.55, I'm going to keep reiterating that point. I'm going to keep saying that we are going there because you're still above the criteria to take us there basically, and the criteria is to get above that 0618, which takes us to the 1 minimal. We ran into the 1 for the first time and got rejected. Completely normal. If you break resistance on that first attempt, I don't like it. You see, you come up here, come down very harsh, came to key level support $1.55 and then broke that resistance the second time. Look, you got rejected here, the new resistance came down, broke it the second time, found new resistance, came down, break it the second time. So this is why we've come to the all-time high. We did put in a higher high, but you didn't hold it as support, and that's why we've lost support, confirmed it as resistance, coming back to support, previous swing high, flip it into a swing low. Of course, if you lose this swing high, flipping into swing low, you go to the previous one, $1.55, and this will hold because look how many bounces, strong bounces, multiple bounces. When you come up, come down, bounce, come up all the way to here, resistance, come down all the way to here, bounce, bounced all the way back up to that resistance, come down, held that 55. You haven't been there since. So if we do roll over here, this is the level that we must see hold, that 0618. And I've given you multiple reasons now why this will hold, because at the moment the 786 at $2 should hold. Nice psychological level. It's also the previous swing high. It's now a swing low, as you can see here. A little fake out, confirm there's support over here, we had a nice bounce, come back to it, and that's what we're holding. Look, we went below, holding it as support though. So this is why it's key. If you do lose this new swing low now, we'll come to the previous. So two reasons why this will hold. First, the 200 EMA, then because it's the 618, and also it's a previous swing low. So it should hold basically. Look, swing low, it was a previous swing high over here, resistance, support. So it's a new swing low. Just like when you put in a new one, you should come to the previous swing high, which you did, turn it to swing low. Just like this, you should come up and hold this. You lost it, found support in the EMAs, got back up, put in a new swing high, come back to that previous one as a swing low. So it's all easy to understand. But the thing is now, if we go take a look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have met our diamond patterns technical target, which was here, met, so I can get rid of that. But also we had this head and shoulders that we've been talking about, and that target has been met. So what is going on now? Why do we keep dumping? Now, of course, I'm sorry to tell you guys, but we basically at the moment have invalidated $3.31 technical target because we have lost the golden pocket. So as long as you're below that golden pocket, you're basically creating a reversal wave. And let's now check if that's true. I'm going to measure from the swing low to the swing high because we've come up impulsively and we're now correcting. So we need to see, where are we correcting to? You can see, yeah, we are creating that reversal wave because the 618 was holding on that golden pocket. You can see over here that golden pocket. So when you lose that 618, you come to that 786, and you can see we've done that now. We've had a nice little bounce. If we do fail to get back above this white box, if we see something like this, then we will be putting in a lower low below this with a target to the 1. So we would be in a target to $1.73. That is our technical target if we now get rejected over here and put in a lower low. So basically all you want to wait for, if you put in a lower low, we're coming to the $1.73. This is what I'm seeing because we created a reversal wave. Now that we lost this, yes, it's fine to lose it as long as you get back above, confirm it as support. Then we will still go to our 1618 target at $3.33. That is if we can flip this level over here back into support. If you can't, which we aren't doing at the moment, and because we aren't doing it, we need to take that we have lost support and we're going to continue down as of now. So we should be putting in a lower low of this and then come down to that $1.73. Of course, this is only a short-term support, so this is why I'm expecting that we need to see $1.55 hold on the 4-hour time frame. You have now fallen out of this rising wedge, so technically speaking we do have a target all the way down to here at 68 cents. Now I don't think this will be met. If it does, that is your bear market right there, no word of a lie. And again guys, it's all on Bitcoin, but let's ease up, let's reevaluate. What did we say? As long as we're above $1.55, we are going to $6.73, 72, whatever it is. But yes, in the short term, you have fallen out. Yes, you have lost this golden pocket at the moment, invalidating the 1618. But we could get a bounce here, confirm that as support again, and we would be good to continue up. As long as you don't do that, we are going to come to $1.73. $1.73. Sorry, I keep doing it. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm seeing for Matic at the moment. Just one last thing, I forgot to show you the targets to the downside out of these fibs. So when you lose that one, of course you can come to the one and hold that support. That would be perfectly fine. We would do some sort of double bottom here like this. One bottom neckline, second bottom, good for continuation to that 1618 target at $3.31. Now, of course, if you do lose this one, confirm it as resistance, minimal target. So our target would be the 1618. Technically speaking, when you lose the one, your target is always that 1618. Just like when we go for technical targets to the upside, when we break the 618, we go to the one, and once you're above that one, you go to that 1618. Now, of course, you can see as we did over here, you didn't get to the 1618. You got to the 1.272, and you're coming back for support on that golden pocket, and we should have continued up to the 1618, but you couldn't hold it, invalidating this target. So that could happen equally to the downside. Yes, if we lose the one, backtest as resistance, your target is the 1618, but you could just come to this larger 0618 at the 1.272 and get a bounce from here. And technically speaking, that should start sending us back up, because as long as you're above the 0618, you're going to the 1618 at $6.73. Now, I do stand firmly with that. We're going to go to higher prices simply because the 0618 at $1.55 was major resistance over here as well. Look, you had a double top at it, so that should have sent us and put in lower lows, and you couldn't put lower lows, you put in a higher low above this low. So that's all positive. Since putting that higher low, you made a higher high above the M pattern, which is also the 0618, which unlocks the one. Once you break above this, it unlocks the one. And then what happened? You flipped it into such key support, multiple bounces over a 1 month period, like 4 occasions, not in a row, 4 separate occasions in a month. It's bouncing off, got sent up, putting in a higher high, putting in a higher low, higher high, higher low. It's amazing structure, isn't it? Now, of course, yes, we've fallen out of the rising wedge. We need to watch out for that. But guys, as long as we're above this, I have to maintain my bias. And my bias is, so long as you're above $1.55, we will be coming to the 1618 at $6.73. And now, as I said, once you break above the 618, you go to minimal one. We've done that first step. We don't like breaking resistance the first time. That's when you come here, you've fallen, and you eventually come back up to it again. This is now the first attempt since then, and so you should come back, find support. Worst case to that 1618 down here, putting in a large double bottom like that. Worst case down there, we can bounce from where we are now, and of course break this minimal target 1618, $3.30, and we come back for support at $2.71, the one, and then obviously start heading up. Boom, 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 boom. That is what I'm seeing for Matic Polygon. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please help me reach 1.5k subscribers by the end of this month. I really appreciate all you guys' support and being patient for these videos in the last few days, as I've been house hunting and trying to sort out literally things for the house. Like, we got accepted, we'll be moving in like in the next month or so, And so hopefully, maybe I do have some sort of house tour. I want to know from you guys if you would like to see other content now, because of course all I do is charts. I don't cover fundamentals. That's for you guys to do. I just do technicals because the news can be read in the charts, and that's why I just like technicals really. Fundamentals don't tell you where it's going price wise, technicals will tell you where it's going price wise, so that's why I'm just a technical analyst. Now of course, if you guys are up for seeing videos, whatever other sort of videos, please let me know, because of course my dream before crypto was to get into YouTube. Now I've got the platform for it. I do know that everyone just wants crypto. I just want to know that if you would be accepting of other sorts of videos. Perfect guys, I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.